often include a range of high-end features and amenities. Here's a description of luxury house plans. Size and grandeur. Luxury house plans are often characterized by their size and grandeur. They may feature expansive floor plans, multiple stories, and an abundance of square footage. Architectural elegance. These plans incorporate a high level of architectural detail and aesthetic appeal. They can encompass a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional and colonial to modern and contemporary. Premium materials. Luxury homes are built with high-quality materials and finishes, such as marble, granite, hardwoods, and premium fixtures. Exquisite details like intricate molding, coffered ceilings, and wainscoting are common. Spacious and open layouts. While luxury homes can be grand, they often have spacious, open-concept layouts. Large rooms, high ceilings, and vast windows create a sense of openness and light. Gourmet kitchens. The kitchen is a focal point in luxury house plans, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and expansive countertops. Some even have secondary prep kitchens or butler's pantries. Elegant bathrooms. Bathrooms in luxury homes often include features like spa-like showers, soaking tubs, double vanities, and high-end fixtures. Multiple bedroom suites. Luxury house plans frequently feature multiple bedroom suites, each with its own private bathroom and walk-in closets. Home theaters. Many luxury homes include dedicated home theaters with high-quality audiovisual equipment, comfortable seating, and soundproofing. Indoor and outdoor living. Luxury homes often blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living spaces, with features like expansive patios, outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and swimming pools. Wine cellars. Wine cellars or temperature-controlled wine rooms are common in luxury homes, perfect for wine enthusiasts. Libraries and home offices. Luxury homes often include well-appointed libraries, home offices, or study rooms with custom built-in shelving and workspaces. Fitness rooms. Dedicated fitness rooms or gyms are a common feature, complete with exercise equipment and spa amenities. Smart home technology. Luxury homes may incorporate advanced smart home technology for lighting, security, climate control,